If you want to find and restore deleted contacts on your Android phone, so first of all, make sure that you have your Google Contacts. Open it up, choose your Organize tab, and now we have to scroll down to our trash. Here's our trash. There you'll find recently deleted. Yeah, here we have our recently deleted contacts. So simply press select one, and now recover it. And that's how you do this. Also, you may try to restore contacts from some kind of backup. Here you'll see the list of the available backups. The second way, if you don't want to install this application or you don't have it, is just to open up your Gmail. Then choose your account icon, press Google account. Here we gotta find people and sharing, scroll down to contacts, activate contacts. This is your basically web version of Google Contacts. Now tap here, find trash, and there you'll see your trashed contacts. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.